Come for a ride with me during a hurricane. Hurricane Bertha. Not that big, but looks like Bertha. My bike's almost dead, so this isn't going to be a very long ride. So enjoy it while it lasts. I'm going down this road so I can go home. So I can go check on my dog since I was just at my cousin's. Honestly, not my actual cousin. We're just close family, so we consider them blood. But she low-key fine. Don't get me wrong. And like I said, not blood cousins. We're just really close. And my phone's getting really wet, but I mean, I love my girlfriend and all, but damn. I've known them both since we were babies. And they're both fine as fuck. But my not blood cousin has been showing affection and other things that are not so affectionate. I don't know. But like I said, she low-key bad. Look at the highway. Fresh highway, just paved. Well, it's not a fresh highway. This highway's been here for years now. But I'm going home. Actually, I don't have my keys. Oh, damn. I might be going to my dad's. So I might be turning around here in a second. Who knows? I really hope the door's unlocked, though. And I don't know how to cut videos, so just give me a little bit. Pose. This is embarrassingly slow. But if the door isn't locked, then you're gonna come with a ride. You're gonna come for a ride to go back to my cousin's, because that's the only other house that is unlocked currently. Hey, there's Tom. Hi, Tom. He's a nice kitty cat. I like him. I love him. He's a stray, but we gotta love the strays. I'm sorry for all the wiggling. It's kind of windy. Especially when you have sideways rain. But you can't really hear it, unless you can hear it on my camera. Hey, look, another kitty cat. Okay. Kitty. I'm going to try to successfully pet this cat. Okay, bye-bye, please.
It's unlocked.